So nice.
Speaking of dogs, you know, taken for a walk this morning, they might look back at you and go, what is happening?
My dog has not liked going outside the last couple days.
I mean, the paws have been like, oh.
You blame her?
Yes, but galosh is probably a good idea today. I mean, my goodness, it is going to be a wet day. Windy too, but certainly, yes, warm. We're watching for flooding today. Behind this system, it's going to turn colder for tomorrow and the weekend, but more seasonal. The next system we watch after this one comes in on Tuesday, so not bad for your weekend. Look at the rain potential today, though. 1 to 2 inches of rain widespread. This is across the board, and it's not just the rain, of course, it's the snow and ice melt too, and that's why we are concerned with that potential for flooding. The flash flood watch is up through the day today, and we're going to be concerned about the winds as well. We've got a wind advisory for a lot of easternmost Massachusetts, but right here in southeastern Massachusetts, it's a high wind warning through 7 o'clock. The potential is there for wind gusts to 60 or 65 miles per hour, and certainly that would be enough to do some damage. So these winds already starting to pick up. We're gusting over 20 and 30 miles per hour, so it's a little breezy outside, but the stronger winds come later today. They have pushed up the temperatures, though. While you were sleeping, the temperatures have been ticking up, and it is already 53 in Norwood. Boston is 51. You know, that's the warmest we've been since New Year's Day. That's the last time we touched 50 in the city. 48 right now in Worcester. We've got 40s on the Cape as well. And this warmth is coming up from the south. When you look to the west, yeah, that's reality, and that's going to come in tomorrow behind this front. But out ahead of it today, we've got the rain just feeding up along the front. Pockets of heavier rain just west of New York City, and these are going to work through later this morning. So at the moment, yes, it's a little damp out there with some pockets of light rain and drizzle, but nothing heavy for the moment. That will change as we get deeper into the morning. We're going to see that rain kind of pick up here through the morning, and I think the heaviest rain comes from lunchtime on through the afternoon. Right during your evening commute, we've highlighted the afternoon hours as really the impact hours of the day. That's when the winds will be strongest, and that's when the rain's going to be heaviest. But yeah, look at these temperatures. Mid and upper 50s, could touch 60 degrees in a few spots. The record today in Boston's in the lower 60s, and I do think we'll fall short. But nonetheless, you can see how that rain fills in through the morning commute. And then as we get toward lunchtime, see how the colors change to orange and yellow? Those are the heavier downpours coming on in, and it's this line right here that could fuel some thunderstorms and gusty winds from Boston down through southeastern Massachusetts during the afternoon, but the rain all wraps up tonight. Here are your wind gusts by later this morning, 40 to 50, but those 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts plus, those come early this afternoon as that front crosses the area, and then they all kick on out and the winds die down tonight. Coastal flood advisory for the high tide at midday on our south-facing beaches tonight. The rain is over. We dry out. The sky's clear. Icy spots possible by morning with temperatures in the 20s. And tomorrow's a mostly sunny, colder day. But we will have a bit of a gusty breeze, and that's going to bring back the colder temperatures. 20s by Saturday. And your weekend is mainly dry. There could be a flurry around early on Sunday. We're in the upper 30s, though. That front crosses the area, so it's colder by Monday, but dry. And then here comes the next system. You see it there. We'll watch that for some possible rain or snow on Tuesday. But wow, my goodness, feeling like spring today. Of course, you know, it is fleeting here in the month of January.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you, Cindy.